how to start to clip on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is follow this video actually. So really this can be really satisfied with very important levels. You can start to do it through everything that is really to be satisfied with the moment that you want actually to start to go to continue with this plan that you want to ready to clip or start to clone on a certain things. So really what you're gonna to do is clipping about to go here and start to type clip. So we can go also to go to share with this clip, starting with a presentation or review. Started to open a recording uh recording program that is really helping you on this situation, is really to be satisfied with that. So really this can be about being indicating with this kind of progress that you want actually through it.